In this video, I'm going to show you how to move around in Blender using the basic viewport controls. When you first open Blender, you will see the default scene. It is important to understand that you are not moving objects right now. You are only changing your view of the scene. So first, let's start with rotation. To rotate your view, just hold down the middle mouse button and then move your mouse. This allows you to look around your scene from different angle like so. And next is panning. To pan, just hold down the shift button on your keyboard and the middle mouse button, then move your mouse. This lets you move your view left, right, up or down without rotating your scene. And finally, we have zooming. To zoom in and out, you can simply scroll the wheel on your mouse. Scroll up to zoom in like so and scroll down to zoom out. Using these controls, rotate, pan and zoom, you can easily navigate around any scene in Blender. And that's it. That's how you move around in Blender. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.